how to change Facebook page name. So in this quick video, I'm going to simply show you how to change your Facebook page name. So the step is quite easy, but you just need to understand the step. So you need to watch this video to the very end and don't skip any part of the video. So right here is my device. This is actually my Android device, but the step is actually going to be the same for all devices. So I'm going to advise you to use the Facebook main page, not the Facebook Lite. Use the Facebook main page app. Go to your Facebook page like this. So right here is my Facebook page. So now the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on the 3-line icon at the top right corner. Okay, it is on the left corner. Just go ahead and click on the 3-line icon at the top left corner like this. So right here you need to scroll and click on settings and privacy. Once you do that, looking right here, you're going to see settings. Go ahead and click on that at the top. So right here, you just need to scroll a little bit. If you scroll like this, you're going to be able to see this place here where you can see audience and visibility. You can see audience and visibility right here. So you just need to go ahead and click on page setup. You can see the option of page setup right here. So once you do that, you're going to be able to see the option of name. So you can now go ahead and click on it. Now you need to be mindful here. You need to be sure of the name you want to change it to. So once you change it to the name you want it to be, you won't be able to change it again until after 60 days. So you need to be sure of the name that you want to change it to. So here I'm going to simply go ahead and change my to this. Remember, I changed my channel username recently to this in order to actually help you guys to solve more problem on this channel. So this is it, Ask Daniel Fix. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on review change. You can see that right here. Click on review change like this. Then go ahead and click on submit for approval. So they're going to actually update you on your Facebook app if your name was actually accepted, and it is now going to be visible as your username on your page. So this is it. Looking right here, you can see that my username has been changed to this name. So this is how simple it is for you to change your Facebook page name. Hope you found this video helpful. Now like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell. Ask Daniel any question on the comment section. I'll be there to wait for you. See you in the next one.